This is every poison type Pokemon unique to the Blueberry Pokedex and the Indigo Disk DLC. If the Pokemon appeared in the main game or the Kitakami Pokedex, then it will not be repeated. So we are starting off with number 50. Cheers. Tentacool, the jellyfish Pokemon. When the tide goes out, dehydrated Tentacool can be found left behind on the shore. At 51, Tentacruel, the jellyfish Pokemon. On the rare occasions that large outbreaks of Tentacruel occur, all fish Pokemon disappear from the surrounding sea. And then our next Pokemon is number 62. Oddish, the weed Pokemon. The scientific name is Odium wondrus. It is said to cover distances as far as 1,000 feet when night falls, walking on its two roots. And number 63, Gloom, the weed Pokemon. The fluid that oozes from its mouth isn't drool. It is nectar that is used to attract prey. And 64, Vileplume, the flower Pokemon. The bud bursts into bloom with a bang. It then starts scattering allergenic poisonous pollen. And then our next Pokemon is 68. Alolan Grimer, the sludge Pokemon. They store their toxins inside their bodies, so unlike Grimer from other regions, they don't smell bad even close up. And 69, Alolan Muck, the sludge Pokemon. There are over 100 kinds of poison inside its body. Chemical reactions between different poisons are the source of its vitality. And then our next Pokemon is number 76. Galarian Slowbro, the hermit crab Pokemon. Shelder seems blissful over the taste of Slowbro, even though the toxins seeping from the bite have caused Shelder to faint. And number 77, Galarian Slowking, the Hexpert Pokemon. It administers its potions to weaken Pokemon it seeds. These potions are derived from poison and secreted from holes in Slowking's horns. And then our next Pokemon is number 146. Qwilfish, the balloon Pokemon. It lives just offshore in cold parts of the world. Its poisonous spikes are thicker and shorter than those of other regions' Qwilfish. This was the Hisuian form. And 147, Overqwil, the pin cluster Pokemon. Overqwil's poisonous spikes will reflexively react even when Overqwil sleeps, stabbing any moving thing that approaches. And next we have 164. Bulbasaur, the seed Pokemon. For some time after its birth, it uses the nutrients that are packed into the seed on its back in order to grow. And 165, Ivysaur, the seed Pokemon. The more sunlight Ivysaur bathes in, the more strength wells up within it. allowing the bud on its back to grow larger. And 166. Venusaur, the seed Pokemon. When it basks in the sun, it can convert the light into energy. As a result, it is more powerful in the summertime. And then we should have 243, and the last one for this Pokedex, Petulant, the subjugation Pokemon. It feeds others toxic mochi that draw out desires and capabilities. Those who eat the mochi fall under Petulant's control, chained to its will. And that is every single poison type Pokemon in the Blueberry Pokedex and the Indigo Disk DLC. If you did enjoy this content, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.